Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bosque County and central Texas, Central Hill County and central Texas, northwestern McLennan County and central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, west central Navarro County in north central Texas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of highways, streets, underpasses, creeks and streams, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waco, Hillsboro, McGregor, West Italy, Valley Mills, Crawford, Benham, Carl's Corner, Golson, Milford, Frost, Abbott, Leroy, Ross, Malone, Penelope, Mertens, and Aquila. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The current time is 12.